we discuss about biochemical techniques, ultraviolet absorption spectrometry. Definition: spectroscopy is the measurement and interpretation of electromagnetic radiation absorbed or emitted when the molecule or atoms or ions of a sample move from one energy state to another energy state. UV spectroscopy is a type of absorption spectroscopy in which light of ultraviolet region, that is 200 to 400 nanometer, is absorbed by the molecule, which result in the excitation of electrons from ground state to a higher energy state. Basically, spectroscopy is related to the interaction of light with matter. As light is absorbed by the matter, the result is an increase in the energy content of the atoms or molecules. When ultraviolet radiation are absorbed, this results in the excitation of the electrons from the ground state towards the higher energy state. Molecules containing pi electrons or non-bonding electrons can absorb energy in the form of ultraviolet light to excite these electrons to higher anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Parts of spectroscopy: number 1, light source. Tungsten filament lamps and hydrogen deuterium lamps are the most widely used and suitable light source as they cover the whole UV region. Tungsten filament lamps are rich in red radiations. More specifically, they emit the radiation of 375 nanometer, while the intensity of hydrogen deuterium lamps falls below 375 nanometer. Monochrome matter. Monochrome metals generally are composed of prisms and silids. Most of spectrophotometers are double beam spectrophotometers. The radiation emitted from the primary source is dispersed with the help of rotating prisms. The various wavelengths of the light source, which are separated by the prism, are then selected by silids. Such as rotation of prism result in series of continuously increasing wavelength to pass through the silids for recording purpose. Sample and reference cells. One of the two divided beams is passed through the sample solution and the second beam is passed through the reference solution. Both sample and reference solution is contained in the cells. These cells are made of either silica or quartz. Glass cannot be used for the cells as it also absorbs light in the UV region. Detector. Generally, two photocells serves the purpose of detector in UV spectroscopy. One of the photocells receives the beam from the sample cell and the second detector receives beam from the reference. The intensity of the radiation from the reference cell is stronger than the beam of sample cell. This results in generation of pulsating or alternating currents in the photocells. Amplifier. The alternative current generated in the photocells is transferred to the amplifier. The amplifier is coupled to a small servometer. The current generated in the photocells is of very low intensity. The main purpose of the amplifier is to amplify the signals many times so we can get clear and recordable signals. Next, application of UV spectroscopy. It is one of the best methods for the determination of impurities in organic molecules. Additional peaks can be observed due to impurities in the sample, and it can be compared with that of the standard raw materials. By also measuring the absorbance at a specific wavelength, the impurities can be detected. UV absorption spectroscopy can be used for the quantitative determination of compounds that absorb UV radiation. And thank you so much.